Action.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Baby Life Princess Friends, and today I will be doing a filming with Avi. First, I'm going to start with her drink. Okay. Here you go, Avi. So good. How does that taste, Avi? Delish. Good. Okay, drink up, Avi. Done, Mommy. Okay. Ready for some soup, Avi? Yes, Mommy. Okay. Okay, now time for some medicine. Good girl. Now time for the second scoop. One more scoop, Avi. You just have to take one more and then you're done. Okay, done with that one. Okay, Avi, now you just have to drink your medicine in this one. Good girl, Avi. Yum, Mommy. Avi, you can have water if you need to. Okay, I'm done, Mommy. All right, you don't have to take it off if you don't want to. I want to drink some of my water, Mommy. Okay, Avi. I'm good now. Okay, would you like some more soup, Avi? Yes, Mommy. Okay. Here you go. Yum. Delish, Mommy. Okay, Avi, are you almost done with your soup? Just a couple more bites. Are you good now, Avi? Yeah, I'm done eating, Mommy. Okay, let's take you off to the potty. Mommy, can you move the camera over? Over here, please. Okay, now it's time to dump Avi's potty out. Just gotta rinse it. There we go. Now it's all nice and clean. Mommy, I'm done.
Okay, what are you gonna say?
Thanks for watching Baby Life Princess Friends. Subscribe. Bye.